go on Alhikmat TV, Alhikmat TV on the wall. We have just signed a relationship and partnership with Muslim Kids TV. This is Ramadan. You fasting, you reading Quran, and your kids looking at haram. Yeah. We have just created an establishment with Muslim Kids TV, established in Canada, worldwide known. Collaboration with Alhikmat TV. This is a good time to subscribe for your kids, your children. Let them, they may not be fasting, they're too young to read Quran, but they're not young to play with the phone. They play with iPad. They teach you how to use your phone. Yeah? So get them, subscribe. You subscribe, Muslim Kids TV for them. Because they're too young to fast, they're too young to read Quran, they're too young to pray Salah, they're too young, they're staying home, they're not coming. Okay, so get them involved so they listen, they learn, they practice, and they benefit about Islam, that when they reach that age of puberty and they reach that age when it becomes obligatory and necessary for them to do it, they would have already have enough information and knowledge about it. Unfortunately today, because of their involvement in many more haram things on the phone and on the iPad, I am not those sheikhs who tell you to stay away from iPad and phone. I run my whole dawah on iPad and phone. That's why I walk with two phones. One to talk to people and one to do my work. So while I talk to some people who waste my time, I do my work while I'm listening to them. I have to. So register your children for Muslim Kids TV or contact us at Alhikmat. No, Ramadan. So while you doing ibadah and you come for Taraweeh and you are fasting, they could be listening to good things about children and they can get motivated and they may want to be better kids, inshallah, because that might be our next problem. Next problem while we fast in Ramadan and we don't have our kids under control.